So we've done a lot of trainings on our team members on how we really can bring up the next level of service. I had the pleasure to be 29 years for Marriott.
We're at JW Marriott here in Saigon.
Yep.
One of the best hotels I've ever been.
Right, thank you.
And you've done a great renovation because it changed from last year.
Correct. And I'm really excited to talk about it, what we have done. I think if you see, we have made much more light in hotel, but I think the most exciting part what we have done is actually with our people, our associates, we refer them to in Marriott. So we've done a lot of trainings on our team members on how we really can bring up the next level of service and to really work on enhancing our guest experiences. And what is nice to see, we're really also aligning it to the JW branding, where we really position our luxury element.
Beautiful.
And it is also nice to see that what we achieve here is to really work at our guests at different counters, so it's much more personalized and it's much more memorable for them.
The focus is on the experience, correct?
Correct. It's all about exceptional experiences and how can we do something experimental and how can we make it flawless. And that's also part of where we like to be. And what is nice also in the brand, I think about the JW brand, the whole you, how can we also make the experience really tailor-made to you? If you would be a guest coming for a conference, you would come a guest for leisure, you'll be a corporate visitor, or even maybe with your family and come dine in our restaurant. So we're training our associates really to pick up on clues and to make that exceptional experience for the customers.
I'm here for the SEO Mastery Summit. They always choose this location because it's the best one in Saigon.
Yep.
And also the only one that can host 200 to 400 people, right? So for events, of that kind of events, is the perfect location, correct?
Correct. We have the location walking distance from all the sightseeing in the city, one of the largest ballrooms in District 1. But I think what really set us also apart is our event teams and our associates beside the space who also create those seamlessly experiences for meeting organizers. But I think if you come for your conference, you also want to have a great conference, networking, collaborating with each other, working on new initiatives. And I think our teams are really working on that and positioning that very well. I think in Ho Chi Minh, I would proudly to say that the JW Saigon is, in my opinion, the place to be for seamlessly conferences and meetings. Once again, for our sizes of the ballrooms or meeting spaces, the different options you have for dining. You have seen our beautiful JW cafe today, a lot of dining, different cuisines. We have a new Nikura Pisco Hana, we have a beautiful Basilico, and what also really sets us apart is our beautiful gardens on level 3. So I think for an event organizer, the place to be.
So last year I had a dining experience at Basilico and I liked it a lot. And this year we came out with this new fine dining experience with some of my friends here at the Marriott. And I had to thank Chef Francesco because it was amazing.
And Francesco, honestly, we're very proud of him. It's all homemade. He's very proud about his little garden outside where he has his basil, which is the referral to Basilico.
Yes.
And it's all homemade and fresh ingredients. So yeah, he's doing an amazing job in there. We're very proud of him. His passion is really igniting the kitchen team.
You also have like experience in the whole Southeast Asian market, right?
Correct.
You've been in
many countries. I had the pleasure to be 29 years for Marriott. I have been in, my first start actually for the company was in China.
Oh, nice.
And then after China, I have been in Singapore, I have been for the company in Thailand, in South Korea, and into Vietnam several times. But I think it's nice when you travel, you learn cultural sensitivity, you learn different cultures, and always has been a great journey.
I love it.
And what is the nicest part is we see a lot of growth. We see growth in our hotels, but we also see growth in our talent and in our people. So it's nice to see that Vietnam is really one of our fastest growing markets for the company in the region. So yeah, exciting times.
So we are in this beautiful renovated location. What's about this restaurant? And
today you're very lucky. This is Pisco Hana. Pisco Hana is officially not open yet. We're going to open this in 10 days from now. So this is actually for you a preview. Pisco Hana is actually, we're opening also beside here a beautiful new restaurant called Nikura. Nikura is the Nikkei cuisine. So I think, as you know, we spoke a bit before, it's the Japanese influence in the Peruvian cuisine. And Pisco Hana, the place where you are now. Pisco is the national drink of Peru.
Okay.
Hana is the national flower of Japan.
Amazing.
We're really creating something about a new concept. And I think this is going to be a very nice place for people to unwind after a great day of conferencing or meeting, and to meet with friends and colleagues here and to talk about a great day ahead and networking.
When people can come here and experience this?
I think we are targeting to open on March the 20th, this next week Friday. And if it allows you, we have a beautiful Nikura restaurant too. So if you like to have a quick review of that too, you'll be one of the first ones. We're going to show you that too. So at the moment we do a lot of trainings, but that's going to be opening in the coming 2 weeks if everything works. But aim is Friday, the 20th of March. We should be open for the public.
Great. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thank you. Pleasure.